In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI for workflow automation in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know how to leverage AI to build a complete 30-day no-reply re-engagement workflow, starting from a blank canvas and using ChatGPT to craft a strong prompt for GoHighLevel's AI Builder. First, sign into your GoHighLevel sub-account. A sub-account is simply the specific workspace for your brand or client, so make sure you're in the right one before moving on. On the left side panel, click Automation, then head into Workflows. This is the home for building and managing your automated sequences. Next, click Create Workflow. You'll see different options, but choose Start from Scratch. Starting clean gives you total control and lets the AI tailor the logic precisely to your use case. Inside the new, empty workflow, you'll notice the AI prompt area. This is where GoHighLevel can take a clear, plain English prompt and turn it into a working automation. To get a high-quality prompt, we're going to use ChatGPT to write it for us. Our example will be a 30-day no-reply re-engagement automation, perfect for leads who go quiet and need a gentle nudge back into conversation. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt you can paste into GoHighLevel's AI. For example, you can say something like, "Give me a prompt to help GoHighLevel AI create a 30-day no-reply re-engagement automation workflow, including a trigger for inactive contacts, sensible delays, and polite, compliant messages across email and SMS." Feel free to add details such as your audience, tone, and any conditions you want the AI to respect. The clearer your request, the better the workflow structure you'll get back. Once ChatGPT returns the prompt, copy it. Go back to your GoHighLevel workflow and paste that prompt into the AI Builder. Then, let it run. You'll see it think for a moment while it assembles triggers, delays, and action steps. When it's done, GoHighLevel will present a polished automation for you to review. Walk through every step, reading the triggers, filters, delays, and message content. Tweak the wording for voice and brand guidelines. Adjust timing to match your sales cycle, and confirm channels, compliance, and sending windows align with your policies and location. When everything looks good, publish it. Publishing activates the workflow so new contacts who meet the trigger conditions will flow through the re-engagement sequence automatically. That's it. You've used AI to plan, write, and build a sophisticated automation in a fraction of the usual time.